With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here a paragraph is given and based on this paragraph a question is asked. In the paragraph it is said that a body moves through a liquid or a gas in the fluid applied on a force, the body which is called drag force. Okay, consider a body here. It is moving with the velocity v. It is in a liquid or it is in a fluid or air. Okay, around it. Now, opposite to the velocity of this body, a force by this liquid or this gas will be applied on this body, and that will be in the opposite direction of its velocity, and that force is known as the viscous force or drag force. If the velocity is so small, viscous force or drag force. If the velocity is small, then this drag force will be equal to K of V. K. If the value of V is more, then there will be a modification in this formula. It will become kV square. Now, the value of this constant K is given in the question. There is a bit of correction here. It is K is equal to rho Ca. Okay. Now, the value of K depends on the density of the fluid, of the liquid or air around, the area covered by this body, and a constant. So this is the value of K. Now further in the question it is asked, consider a case an object of mass m is released from a height h and it falls under gravity. As its speed increases, the drag force starts increasing on the object. Okay, let us consider a object. Okay, this is a object. It is falling free. Okay, it is falling free. Now, a force mg by the gravity will be applied on this object. It is falling free. Okay. Now, equivalent and opposite force will be applied. Drag force. That drag force is here. The drag force is given that it will be equal to kV. Okay, a force of K will be kV will be acquired. Okay, now as it goes down, as the body goes down under gravity, it will acquire more velocity, and as the velocity increases, the FD, that is the drag force will increase, the value of kV will increase with the increase of velocity. Ultimately, a stage comes where the value of V become constant. Value of V become constant. How will it become constant? See, if the velocity increases, kV will also increase. Okay, ultimately a stage will come when V will be equal to kV. Okay, the velocity and both the velocity and the drag force both become equal. Both becomes equal. Then at that time, net force will become 0, acceleration will become 0, and the velocity becomes constant. Now this constant velocity, as the velocity become constant, the kV will also be constant, that is the drag force will also be constant, and this velocity is known as the terminal velocity. This velocity is known as the terminal velocity. Okay, so what is the terminal? According to the terminal velocity, the object will move with a constant velocity. Okay, now in the question we have to find the terminal velocity. Then if we consider this object attained the terminal velocity v. Okay, it is in a condition where it has attained the terminal velocity. Then if it has attained the terminal velocity, then at that time the downward mg and the upward the drag force will be equal. So kv, that is the drag force, is equal to mg as it has attained the terminal velocity. Both the values become same. So from where we get the V is equal to mg upon k. This is the value of terminal velocity, mg by k. Let us see which option is it. first option. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.